You have images in Google Drive and need them inside Google Sheets. Here are two ways to do it. The first is the built-in method. Click the cell where you want the image, go to Insert, then hover over Image. Choose Insert Image in Cell to keep it inside the cell, or Insert Image over Cells to float it above the sheet. A file picker opens, select Google Drive, browse to your image and click Insert. That's it for one image. The built-in method only inserts one image at a time. You can insert multiple images with their file details using Drive Explorer Pro. It is a Google Sheets add-on that lets you select multiple images from Drive and insert them in a single click, with file names, sizes, and direct download links alongside image preview. Click the link in the description to install. After installing, go to Extensions, then select Drive Explorer Pro. Then click Open Drive Explorer. Switch to the List Files tab. This tab lets you list images from Drive in your sheet. Choose where the listing should start, the selected cell or below existing data. Select the file attributes you need. Enable Image Preview to display each image directly inside a cell. Then select the file details you want alongside it, file name linked to URL, direct download link, and file size, megabytes. Before selecting your images, adjust how they will appear in Sheets. Go to the Settings tab. In the Image Settings section, enable Resize Image Preview cells and set your preferred cell size. This controls how large each image appears in the sheet. If you want to reuse this setup, click Save Selected Settings as Default. Now return to the List Files tab, click Select Existing Files from Drive and List in Sheets. Pick your images from the Drive file picker and click Select. All selected images appear in the sheet immediately, previews in cells, file details in columns beside them. If you need this workflow regularly, Drive Explorer Pro removes the need to insert images one by one. To learn how to upload files to Drive and list them in Sheets, click the link in the description. That's it. You can now insert images from Google Drive into Google Sheets, one at a time or in bulk. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.